I'm Emma Kimball, and this summer I worked as a creative intern for Mother Model Management. My main responsibilities at Mother is to assist Mary Clark with tasks including working on social media content for Instagram, creating presentation for many of Mother's clients, conducting open model calls, and preparing models for photo shoots and interviews. I found this position through a posting on Mother Model's Instagram, and I applied by emailing the CEO and founder, Mary Clark, my description and resume. After a phone interview in 3 weeks, I was officially accepted at Mother. While at Mother, I most enjoyed working behind the scenes during photo shoots and modeling events. It was so interesting to see different sides of the fashion industry come to life through color, aesthetic, movement, and style. I would tell future interns to be adaptable and prepared for a variety of tasks and experiences while at Mother.